The number one insurance mistake growing plumbing companies make and how to avoid it. If your plumbing company is growing, there's one insurance mistake I see way too often, and it will cost you tens of thousands of dollars if you're not careful. Let me show you what this is and how to protect your business before it's too late. In this video, I'm going to show you the mistake that leaves most growing plumbing companies wide open to claims, what most plumbing insurance policies are missing, how to fix without spending more than you need to. So here's the deal. Most plumbers start off with a basic general liability insurance policy when they first get going. But as your business grows, you add trucks, you hire more techs, you take on bigger jobs, and your risk grows. Your risk grows too. But your insurance often stays exactly the same. And that's the mistake, not updating your insurance as your plumbing business grows. A lot of policies offer what they call tail light coverage. That means your insurance only protects while you're on the job site. The second your van pulls away and the customer sees your tail lights, your coverage ends. So what happens if a pipe you installed fails a day, week, or a year later and floods your home? You're on the hook unless your policy includes completed operations coverage. Claims against plumbers make up 28% of all general liability claims filed by all trades. More than roofers, more than electricians. Yes, you think the people who burned down a house would be number one? Nope. Plumbers. That's more than any other trade. It's a real problem, and it's happening every day. Most plumbing insurance policies actually exclude or deny claims related to work you've already finished. That's a huge gap. It could cost you tens of thousands of dollars or more. But here's the good news. Having the right coverage doesn't always mean paying more. Sometimes it just means having the right policy for the size and scope of your business. At Joyce Insurance, we shop your coverage across multiple carriers so we can offer better protection without increasing your premium. In most cases, we're able to save you money. What should you do? Work with an agent, a real person, an agency that understands the plumbing industry. Well, an agent will review your coverage regularly and make sure you're protected as your business grows. At Joyce Insurance, we know the plumbing industry. My in-laws have been plumbers and HVAC contractors since the 1960s. In my family, they've been building houses and renovating homes since the 1990s. So we understand the industry. Agent who regularly reviews your coverage and makes sure you're protected. That's exactly what we do at Joyce Insurance. We've been doing this since 1996. We treat every business like it's our own. When you call Joyce Insurance, you get a real person, not a call center, not someone reading from a script. We take the time to understand your business. We shop your policy with top carriers and make sure you're getting the best fit and a great price. Because having great protection without a great price or great price without great protection doesn't really work. Think of us as your local hardware store or butcher shop. You may pay a little bit more than you would at a big box place, but you're getting something way more valuable. Expert advice, real service. Just like when you go to the supply house, you go to the counter, you go up to the guy, they know what to get you. You say it, they walk them back, pull it up, drop it on the counter, you pay for it. And they speak to a lot of plumbers, so they understand what parts you need and what's been working for other people. Joyce Insurance, you get that, and someone who actually cares that your business is protected. And we believe that you should not pay more for it. Trust. Our clients stick with us. 98% retention rate. Our customers stay. I've had some of the same clients over the past 30 years. Once people experience how we work, they don't want to go anyplace else. I've run crews, I've made payroll, I've owned service businesses since I was 21. I started Joyce Insurance to be the kind of partner I wish I had back then. If you're not 100% sure your insurance has kept up with your growth, or have you ever reviewed your complete operations coverage? Let's talk. No obligation, definitely no pressure. Just visit joyceins.com, give us a quick call, or shoot us a text or email. We'll review your coverages, give you honest advice, and help you avoid costly mistakes. Joyce Insurance. Old school service, modern convenience, and probably a better price than you're expecting.